Develocity Predictive Test Selection uses AI to accelerate your test feedback cycle by predicting which tests are likely to provide useful feedback. You can then configure your build to automatically skip tests that are unlikely to produce that useful feedback. By intelligently reducing the size of the test setup by up to 2/3, you can save significant time during the test phase of a build feedback cycle. So how does it work? A traditional automated testing approach will run all the tests for a build every time. If you're a user of Gradle Build Tool or Maven, then you can use cached test results and skip tests where the inputs haven't changed. Predictive Test Selection takes this even further. Instead of running every test that could potentially be altered based on its inputs, Predictive Test Selection uses an AI model to avoid tests that have a very low probability of change based on previous behavior. Each test is assigned a prediction score, representing how likely it is that the test outcome will differ from its previous outcomes as a result of the changes. Predictive Test Selection then provides a list of selected and not selected tests with an accompanying reason, so you can see the details of which tests were run for a particular build. Build scan data is continuously analyzed to update the historical execution data so that Predictive Test Selection can learn about your build and improve its prediction accuracy over time. This feature works with most test frameworks that can be executed on the JUnit platform, including TestNG, Spock, and many others. It also supports Gradle and Maven test runs for JVM languages like Java, Kotlin, Scala, and Groovy. Predictive Test Selection ensures you get the fastest test feedback cycles possible, particularly when combined with Develocity's other acceleration capabilities, build cache, and test distribution. Contact us to learn more about using Predictive Test Selection in your environment.